Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So I decided to do some 2-strand twists, and this is the hair that I'll be using. I'm using 2 types of hair, some Cuban twists, and I'm also using some Marley hair. So I decided to do the sections in 4s. I think the minimum group of locks that I used was maybe like 3. And the most I used was maybe like 4 or 5 in a section. But I'm just going to start off by twisting my locks all the way down. And as I'm twisting each individual group of locks, as you can see, before I twist them over each other, if that makes sense, to create that rope look. And then once I get to the end, this is where I'm going to add the even twist hair, and I'm just going to continue to twist all the way down. Once I get all the way down and finish twisting, I am now going to create the knot at the end of the twist, and I just fold the hair up and wrap it around itself and then secure it with a rubber band. Now I'm going to create an asymmetrical bob, so as I go through this process, I'm going to measure where I want the twist to fall so I can create that look of the bob. So I did that throughout my entire head of locks, just trying to measure and make sure everything was angled the way I want it to be angled to create that asymmetrical bob look. So here is just a closer look of me creating the twist. So like I said, I just twist each individual group of locks as I'm twisting them over each other to create that rope look. Once I get to the end, that's where I twist in the synthetic hair the same way. And then I just fold it up and start to create that knot at the end. And I secure it with a rubber band. So in the back is where I was using mostly the Marley hair because it's darker and it matches the dark parts of my locks. And then for the front area where I have the ombre of the red is where I was using most of the Cuban twist hair. So here is the final look, and I think this came out so pretty, and I love how the bob came out with the asymmetrical look. I did go ahead and add some accessories. I did add some cowrie shells and some lock sprinkles. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.